Hey my beauties, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my another makeup tutorial. Let's talk about today's makeup challenge. I usually do my makeup in 9 steps: primer, foundation, powder, blush, highlighter, brows, eyes, lips, and finally spray. And my eyes have around 8 steps: crease, lid, lower line, kajal, mascara, falsies, inner corner, and brow bone. And lips have probably 1, 2, 3 steps: lip liner, lipstick, and gloss sometimes. Sometimes I also skip setting spray. So I'm going to do everything in reverse. I'm really nervous. Let's start the challenge. Should I do it or not? Not. Let's do. No. First thing I'm going to do, the last thing, is lipstick. I'm using the NYX Nude shade. Let's apply it. Now it's time to line. I'm using my Jaclyn Nude Lip Liner. It's not that bad. So now it's time for eyes. I'm going to start with the last step. For the last step, I do my inner corner and brow bone, but today, though it is a reverse video, reverse challenge, I'm going to do this. First, I'm using Oddbo Baked Highlighter for my brow bone and inner corner. Oh, it looks so embarrassing. Usually I do my mascara and after that falsies, but today I'm going to put some falsies, then mascara. Not bad. I'll let it be.
এত লাইট লুট এত টাকা খরচ কইরা
দোয়া করো হইয়া যাবে। তোমার একটা ভিডিও দিয়ে তোমার সব খরচ আমি দিয়ে দিব।
সেটা তাকে দেখো আপনার 200 দেখতে দাও।
তো তোমরা প্রতিদিন পিজা খেতে পারো।
বন্ধ হলে প্রতিদিন।
Now I'm going to put some kajal. Black kajal from Ushash Cosmetics. My eyes are too watery right now. Now I'm going to put some mascara from Golden Rose. first lower mascara, then upper. Now it's time for eyeshadow. And for my eyes, I'm going to use this Morphe 35A palette. From this palette, I'm picking the yellow shade. Next, I'm going to use this Juvia's palette. From this palette, I'm picking this shade called Burkina. My lower line is complete. Now it's time for lids and crease. Now it's time for lid. Now I'm going to apply this shade. Now it's time for crease. For my crease, I'm going to use the yellow and Burkina shade. Now I'm going to pick some Burkina. Now it's time for eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Old Bow eyebrow cream. Now it's time for highlight.
লাগে
I'm using the same highlighter from Oudbo. I look horrible right now. Now it's time for blush. I'm using this blush from Outdoor Girl.
ওই জায়গাটা দেখা যেতেছে কাকুরের মতো চোখ
Huh? আমি সব কিছু বেশি বেশি দিচ্ছি কারণ বেশ দিলে এগুলো চলে যাবে, যেতে একটু হলেও দেখা যায়, তাই বেশি বেশি দিচ্ছি। অলরেডি হাইলাইটার একটু কমে গেছে।
স্বাভাবিক
আমাদের ব্লাশ শেষ হয়ে যেতেছে, চাঁদি বের হয়ে গেছে। Finally, I'm going to do my foundation. For today's look, I'm going to use this foundation from La Femme. Shade number is 01, Natural shade. I'm going to apply my foundation with this beauty blender. Guys, I'm really nervous for this step. This is the last and final step for this look. I'm going to prime my face with this Black Up primer. Let's take a little bit. Come on. Let's apply it very, very gently. That's it. It's good. Guys, that concludes this makeup challenge. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did a little bit, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also enable the notification bell because the notification bell is every time I upload. I'll see you tomorrow with another makeup challenge, inshallah. Till then, be happy, be confident. Allah Hafiz. Look who is here. Look who is here.